Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, factor. Spelling, F-A-C-T-O-R. Meaning, a person or thing that contributes to a particular result or situation. Synonyms, element, component, ingredient. Antonyms, irrelevance, non-contributor. Usage. The weather was a significant factor in the decision to cancel the event. Her experience was a key factor in her getting the job. Word, blessed. Spelling, B-L-E-S-S-E-D. Meaning, having or showing a feeling of great happiness or contentment. Synonyms, happy, content, fortunate. Antonyms, unhappy, miserable, unfortunate. Usage. She felt blessed to have such a supportive family. Word, scribble. Spelling, S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E. Meaning, to write or draw quickly and carelessly. Synonyms, scrawl, jot, doodle. Antonyms, write neatly, draw carefully. Usage. She scribbled a quick note and handed it to her friend. The child scribbled all over the wall with crayons. Word, encouragement. Spelling, E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E-M-E-N-T. Meaning, the act of giving someone confidence or support. Synonyms, support, motivation, inspiration. Antonyms, discouragement, deterrence, demotivation. Usage. Her encouragement helped him to pursue his dreams. The team received encouragement from their coach before the game. Word, kindergarten. Spelling, K-I-N-D-E-R-G-A-R-T-E-N. Meaning, a preschool or nursery school, especially one for children in the year or two before they start regular school. Synonyms, nursery school, preschool, daycare. Antonyms, high school, elementary school. Usage. She started attending kindergarten when she was 5 years old. Word, guideline. Spelling, G-U-I-D-E-L-I-N-E. Meaning, a rule or principle that provides guidance on how something should be done. Synonyms, rule, principle, standard. Antonyms, exception, deviation, violation. Usage. The company follows strict guidelines for employee conduct. The guidelines for the project were clearly outlined in the manual. Word, beforehand. Spelling, B-E-F-O-R-E-H-A-N-D. Meaning, earlier in time, in advance. Synonyms, in advance, previously, earlier. Antonyms, afterward, later, subsequently. Usage. She prepared the meal beforehand to save time in the evening. Word, shuffle. Spelling, S-H-U-F-F-L-E. Meaning, to move with short, quick steps, often in an unsteady or awkward way. Synonyms, stumble, stagger, hobble. Antonyms, stride, walk steadily, march. Usage. He shuffled along the sidewalk, struggling to keep his balance. The cards were shuffled before the game began. Word, podgy. Spelling, P-O-D-G-Y. Meaning, somewhat fat or plump. Synonyms, plump, chubby, stout. Antonyms, slim, lean, thin. Usage. The podgy cat lounged in the sunbeam. Word, narrow. Spelling, N-A-R-R-O-W. Meaning, limited in width or extent, not broad or wide. Synonyms, slim, thin, tight. Antonyms, wide, broad, expansive. Usage. The narrow road made it difficult to drive. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.